This is All India Radio Kohima. I am Satangmi with the evening news. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hails countrymen for fighting new wave of COVID with great success. Election Commission of India issues SOP for transportation of cash scrupulously during elections. Nation pays homage to Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi on his 74th death anniversary. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address the 30th Foundation Day program of National Commission for Women tomorrow. As the number of COVID-19 cases are rising fast in several parts of the country, we appeal to our listeners to be vigilant and get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, to get vaccinated. With the new Omicron variant of coronavirus causing concern, please continue to follow these 3 simple steps to stay safe. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 01123978046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said India is fighting the new wave of COVID with great success. Addressing the nation in his Man Ki Baat Nation program on All India Radio, Modi said it is a matter of pride that about 4.5 crore children have been administered vaccine doses till now. He said about 60% of youth in the age group of 15 to 18 years have been vaccinated within just 3 to 4 weeks. He stressed that this will not only protect the youth but also help them to continue with their studies. Modi said the 30th of January reminds everyone of the teachings of Bapu. The Prime Minister noted that Republic Day functions will now start from the 23rd of January on the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said many important national awards were also given away recently. One of them is Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. He said the brave deeds of the children must be highlighted as other children will get inspiration and enthusiasm to bring glory to the country. Modi stated that India has been the sacred land of education and knowledge. He said great personalities of the country have also had a deep relationship with education. The Prime Minister also spoke about the popularity of Indian culture and said it is a big attraction in Latin America and South America. Election Commission of India (ECI) has issued a Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) for transportation of cash scrupulously during the elections, when Model Code of Conduct is in force. Disclosing this at Chandigarh yesterday, the Punjab Chief Electoral Officer Dr. S. Karuna Raju said that as per SOP, the bank shall ensure that the cash vans of outsourced agencies or companies carrying that bank's cash shall not under any circumstances carry cash of any third party or individuals except the banks. He said the outsourced agencies or companies shall carry letters or documents issued by the banks giving details of the cash released by the banks to them and carried by them for filling the ATMs and delivering cash at other branches, banks or currency chests. He said that personnel of the outsourced agencies or companies accompanying cash van shall also carry identity cards issued by the respective agencies. The CEO further said in the case of any violation of the above SOP issued by ECI will attract action as per provisions of Model Code of Conduct as well as laws being enforced. Nation is paying homage to Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi on his 74th death anniversary today. The day is also observed as Martyrs' Day. President Ramnath Kovind laid a wreath at the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat in the national capital. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu in a tweet said, an apostle of peace and non-violence, Gandhiji played a colossal role in India's freedom struggle and in shaping the destiny of India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has paid tributes to Mahatma Gandhi on his Punya Tithi. In a tweet, Modi said it is our collective endeavor to further popularize Gandhiji's noble ideals. Prime Minister Modi also paid homage to all the greats who courageously safeguarded our nation. This news comes to you from All India Radio Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News On Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the 30th Foundation Day program of National Commission for Women tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. via video conferencing. The The theme of the program is She, the Change Maker, aimed at celebrating the achievements of women in different fields. State commissions for women, Department of Women and Child Development in state governments, university and college teaching faculty and students, voluntary organizations, women entrepreneurs, and business associations will be a part of the event. Union Minister for Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani, will also be present on the occasion. Election Commission has banned on conducting and publishing exit polls between 10th of February and 7th of March. The decision has been taken in view of the upcoming assembly elections in 5 states: Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Goa, Manipur, and Uttarakhand. In its order, the Commission said during 7 a.m. on 10th February to 6:30 p.m. on 7th of March, the conducting of any exit poll and publishing or publicizing by means of the print or electronic media shall be prohibited. The Commission further clarified that displaying any election matter, including results of any opinion poll or any other poll survey, will be prohibited during the period of 48 hours, ending with the hours fixed for conclusion of poll in the respective polling areas. Election Commission said any person who violates the order will be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may be extended to 2-year jail or fine or both. The weekly COVID-19 bulletin issued by Department of Health and Family Welfare informed that a total of 832 cases were reported this week, with a 43% increase from previous week. Dimapur reported 72% of all the cases. Most of the cases remained unreported from self-tests at home. Meanwhile, the weekly sample positivity rate increased from 11% to 19%. In addition, 7 COVID-19 deaths were reported from the week. The bulletin informed that 50 admissions were recorded from COVID-19 hospitals compared to 22 in the previous week, an increase of 127% in new hospital admissions. So far, 14.64 lakh doses have been administered across the state. The department has called for urgent vaccination of at-risk groups and booster dose for all those who are eligible. Anti-Leprosy Day is being observed today in the country, the day of Mahatma Gandhi's martyrdom. He was deeply committed to the cause of leprosy-affected persons. Leprosy is one of the neglected tropical diseases. Today is also World Neglected Tropical Diseases Day. This year, World Leprosy Day is also being celebrated today. National Leprosy Eradication Program is a centrally sponsored scheme with the vision of leprosy-free India. Under this, action is taken for early case detection, complete treatment of detected cases, and to contain the onset of disease in close contacts. Other initiatives under the program include leprosy awareness campaigns and services for disability prevention and medical rehabilitation, such as provision of microcellular rubber footwear, aids and appliances, and self-care kits. Besides, reconstructive surgeries are conducted and welfare allowance is paid to each patient undergoing reconstructive surgeries. And to end the news, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hails countrymen for fighting new wave of COVID with great success. Election Commission of India issues SOP for transportation of cash scrupulously during elections. Nation pays homage to Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi on his 74th death anniversary. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address the 30th Foundation Day program of National Commission for Women tomorrow. That is all we have in this news bulletin. Good night.